Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to off floating clock on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll down to additional setting. Here it is, so you have to click on it. Then from here again you have to move on to developer option. Here is the developer option. If you don't have developer option, you can check my videos. Okay, I have already set the videos or upload the videos about how to on developer option. You can check my videos how to on. Okay, then move on to developer option. From here you can move into input. Okay, you can scroll like this little you can check. Okay, you can check the input. Where is the input? You have to keep scrolling input. Here is the input. So if you want to off this floating clock, just click on this icon, and this floating clock, not this one on the screen, this one, just click on this icon and this floating clock will be set off. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.